Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable data personalization for Grok on the X app. This quick update will help you get the most out of your Grok experience, making it smarter and more tailored to your interests. The process is simple, so let's walk through the steps together. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to update. Once the app is open, look toward the top left or right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open up your account menu, where you'll be able to access all of your settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is the section where you can control how your account works, including your privacy preferences and personalization options. From here, select Privacy and Safety. Inside this menu, you'll find several categories that focus on how your data is handled within the app. Now, tap on Grok and third-party collaborators. This is where you can manage how your activity and interactions are shared to improve Grok's personalization features. Finally, look for the option that says, Allow your X data, as well as your interactions, inputs, and results with Grok to be used for personalizing your Grok experience. Simply toggle this setting on. Once enabled, Grok will use your activity and interactions to deliver more relevant and personalized results, fine-tuned to your usage. That's all it takes. With this option enabled, Grok can adapt to you more effectively, giving you better responses and a more tailored experience overall. If you ever change your mind, you can easily return to the same settings and toggle it off again. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to turn on data personalization for Grok inside the X app. Make sure to follow these steps to unlock the most customized experience possible. Thanks for watching.